Hey guys, Chris Wootton here, Wootton Financial Group. Hope you are doing fantastic. I wanted to talk to you about something pretty important. You hear folks say from time to time that investors and markets hate uncertainty, and that uncertainty in turn causes market drops, volatility. So I wanted to address the question, why do we hate uncertainty so much? We're going to talk about that and hopefully look past our initial reactions and hopefully embrace the power of uncertainty, which is kind of where I want to get to just briefly. So let's start by answering a basic question. Why do markets, investors, we as human beings hate uncertainty so much? Well, I think for one, we're kind of wired that way. We prefer predictability, we prefer certainty. And if you think about the world of finance, investment firms, traders, other market players, they really rely on forecasts and models. And when something big happens that throws the future into doubt, which, if we're honest, that can happen pretty regularly, look back at the past 5 years, pretty much answers that question. When that happens, it makes their predictions, it makes their models inaccurate, which in our investment philosophy, that's why it's important not to predict. We prefer to look at the math of what markets are actually doing and respond in kind. But for long-term investors who measure success in years and decades, these blips can basically just kind of fade into the background noise, right? They're short-term in the long-term scheme of things. But for people that are more short-term in their trading strategy, who, let's say, maybe need to show success in days or months as a measurement, it can be a pretty destabilizing experience. So that can freak people out. That causes them to trade irrationally, emotionally, and it subsequently leads to drops, to volatility, and other extreme market behaviors out there. So what can we really do to kind of find a silver lining, if you will, in a world of uncertainty? Because it's not going away. It's always going to be there. And so I think what we can do to find the silver lining is basically take maybe 3 points of view, right? So one is view it as a reality check. Uncertainty can be grounding. Sometimes painfully, it shows us that we don't know as much as we thought we did. So we have to embrace a little bit of humility and accept in reality how little we really know sometimes. Number two, we need to be grateful for what we do have. Ask yourself the question, what are you truly grateful for right now? It's really a chance to appreciate and be thankful for what you can be certain of. No matter what's going on in the world, we all have blessings that we can count in our lives. And unfortunately, most of us spend too much time on the negative rather than counting the blessings, right? Number three, just embrace resilience. I think most of us have a much stronger core than we really realize. And it's only when something kind of scratches the surface that true strength, that true resilience can kind of shine through. And uncertainty challenges you to improvise, to think about things differently, and to build up those inner resources that can respond during uncertain times. So bottom line, take a deep breath. Times are going to be uncertain. Times will even be stressful, but you're a lot stronger than you think. And I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any thoughts or concerns that you'd like to share, if you have a question about what we've discussed with you, or you'd like to speak personally about what's going on with markets, economy, your investments, please fill out the form below, send me a message, and I will personally respond. Look forward to making a new friend and to talking to you soon. Be safe out there. Take care.